Jai Hind everyone, I am Colonel Amit Srivastava and I will be your GTO here in the SSB Defence Academy GTO ground. So here we have all the outdoor tasks which are supposed to be there and which are administered in the SSB. So the most important to start with is the progressive group task. We have the complete progressive group task PGT1, and thereafter you can see the PGT2 with the complete color code and the level of difficulty which is there in the SSB. You will get the complete experience here. Thereafter progressing, as you know that it's a progressive group task, the level of difficulty is increasing. So when you come to the PGT3, you'll see fewer structures and the level of ideas getting more difficult. So you have a PGT3 here. Thereafter the PGT4, which is the last PGT, has got a lot of frustration built in. So you can see a lot of structures here, the color code, and you have to complete the task at the end, and you get almost around 40 minutes to complete all the PGT 1 to 4. So you get the complete experience. I can tell you this is the only ground where you will find a complete PGT in the Delhi NCR. Come along, I'll show you the other obstacles, the other tasks, outdoor tasks which are there in our ground. We have the half group task, we have got the final group task, we have got command tasks, and the most important, the individual obstacles. You'll get complete experience, practice, training to hone yourself in handling those individual obstacles, because you are supposed to do it in 3 minutes. So this is very important. Come along. So from here you can see that we have got few good command tasks where you'll get good experience of the command tasks. Then we have a half group task. Ahead of it we have a final group task, and you can see in the far distance you can see the obstacles, the individual obstacles which are there. We have got 8 of them, 2 are under construction. So by the time you come for the course, you'll have complete set of individual obstacles. So I can tell you that this is the best experience you can get about the GTO ground when you face the GTOs in the SSB. So you are most welcome. You join, and I am sure you will have a very good experience here. Now I'll be showing you how we are going to conduct the command task here. Thank you. Welcome, Ajit Karim. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Very good. So how was your complete experience in the SSB?
It is fine, sir.
Good.
Yes.
Learning a lot of ideas and how to go about handling the task.
Yes.
Very nice. And so how was your group?
Sir, it is quite
Having a good time with everybody?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. And how's the food and everything there?
It is
Any
fine, sir.
problems you
No,
find?
sir.
Anything you want to tell me? All good?
Yes, sir.
And now you would like to be the commander?
Sure, sir.
Very good. So Karim, now I'll address you as the commander. Now I'll tell you what are you supposed to do here. Now Karim, this is there you can see there is a ID inside that red structure.
Yes, sir.
Now as commander you have to diffuse the ID within the allotted time of 15 minutes.
Okay.
For that you have got helping material. You can see a plank, bully and a rope, right?
Okay.
Now you have to, now you can use these structure. You can see there is a goal post, there is a pole and a projection below that,
Yes, sir.
and a white platform. Thereafter you can see another structure there.
Yes.
Can you see that there is again a goal post there, and a T with the edges colored blue, and you can see a structure here. Now this is a hollow T, and this part moves up and down and also rotates,
Okay, sir.
right?
Yes.
So you have the helping material here available to you. Any questions?
No, sir.
So that means this circular white line is your start line as well as your finish line. So you have to get inside, diffuse the ID and come out,
Come out. Okay.
right? So you want to do it alone or you want some teammates to help you?
First of all, I will try to do alone.
Okay, no, I'll give you an option to have a teammate.
Okay.
So you can call one of your friends, call him when he comes. So how much, and then tell me how much time you want to complete this task.
15 minutes.
Right, so you'll get 15 minutes to complete the task. So your teammate has come, you can start. Okay, speak loud, commander. Let me also listen to what you are telling.
What you will do, like this, this is like
Louder, louder.
this is portion is the foot, and what we will do, the patta, we will put here, or we will put like we will put that patta this side and that totally wall है, ठीक है, वो बनाएंगे taki I will like this thing I will like
Commander, your time has started. I think you must start executing your ideas on ground. Right, Commander. So now what you have done, wait. So now what you have done as of now, do you feel that you will be able to reach now?
Yes sir, but I think sir
Yeah, this is okay.
proper sir, I will like handle it tightly.
And then your teammate will go inside and defuse. Fine. But what happens if the pole where the plank is kept, this breaks down? This is not available to you. What will you do now?
I will go for
Quickly then move with your helping material, Commander. Your time is running out. You have to remember that the ID, there is a ID will inside and you have to defuse it. Okay, Commander. Now tell me, what will happen if he tries to come here? Are you happy with the angle of the plank?
this is like totally elevated.
So can you do something about, can you make it better? Try to do it better? Yeah. No? What will you do now?
Yes sir.
Yeah, tell me, what will you do now?
Sir I will like try to go here.
How? Are you, no, is the structure stable? Yeah. So if you want to keep it like this, what are you going to do?
I will like go for
Yeah.
sir I will like definitely
You have helping material, isn't it?
yes sir.
No, if this is not working, you have the helping material, you want to do something with your helping material?
Yes sir. I can do.
Then do it. Where are you going to tie it now?
Sir, with this half of
Think, Commander, wait. And I think your teammate is doing something without even your orders. And you are violating the rules. Yeah. Now, who is the commander? Yeah, commander, who is the commander? So, why your teammate is giving you the ideas? You must control.
yes sir. Yes sir. What we will do? We will attach it totally attach it. यहाँ बात है ये वाला बराबर बन जाएगा हाँ ठीक है प्रॉपर इसको इसमें
Okay, commander. So, your time is up. Generally, you will be able to do the task like this. Okay. Now, let me give you some tips now as far as the structure is concerned. Now, look at the structure here, commander. Now, can you see that you will be able to do this with the help of just 2 and not 3 helping material? You were trying to tie the plank behind.
yes sir.
So, if you tie the plank behind using the rope just there, that place, open the rope. And you have to be very careful about the rope not violating the rules, like your rope was touching the blue part, that is again you are violating the rules. Now, if you tie the rope behind by giving the plank the inclination it requires, so you should keep it generally parallel. So, now if you have to keep it parallel, you have to tie it little loose. So, tie it little loose now, loose, pull the plank up. See, if you want to keep it like this
yes sir.
and give it a loose connection now, tie it tight now, so that it stays like this. Yeah, tie it tightly, yeah. Now keep it loose, little loose, yeah, and then tie it so that it doesn't open. You have to tie it. See, you have to use your rope in a very effective way. Now you can ask your your teammate to walk inside and reach there. Ask him.
You have to go there like I will totally jump on it so you will jump upon
Speak louder, commander. You are a commander. You have to speak loud.
do it like that I will hold it tightly
Is it required to be held?
yes
Do you need to help? You have already used your helping material, isn't it? You don't have to use your
Yes, sir.
manpower, right? Now he have to come up. Yeah, start.
You have to jump there and you have to
Chal, so start.
slowly.
Okay.
You have to go slowly.
Yeah.
Okay, go good.
Good.
Go slowly.
Okay, fine. Oh, get down. Right. Understood. So that is how you are going to handle the task, right? Thank you, Commander. Okay, gentlemen. So now I'll show you the individual obstacles which we have in our GTO ground. You can see the first obstacle there, the single ramp. So this is a very simple obstacle. You have to come running and run and jump on the sand pit. Thereafter, the obstacle number 2, the double barrel jump. Again, you have to come running from this side and jump on the sand pit. Thereafter, the third obstacle, as you all know, is the balancing beam. So you can see the balancing beam there. The fourth one is the screen jump. So you can see a very beautiful screen jump here. There will be a screen here on top of this, a red screen, and you have to supposed to jump on the sand pit. Come. Thereafter, the double platform is there. Obstacle, seventh obstacle, which is double platform. You can see the double platform here. You have to climb on the first one and jump on the second one, and thereafter jump on the sand pit. You can see another obstacle here, the ninth one, where the victory stand is there, and you are supposed to climb up, go on top of the victory stand and shout your chest number and come back. You will also have access to the Burma bridge, a perfect Burma bridge here. You can use the ladder to go and hold the upper rope and walk on the lower rope. So this is the fifth obstacle, which is the Burma bridge. Thereafter, this is the 10th obstacle, that is tiger sleep. So you have to climb on the platform, take an upwards and forward jump like a tiger, catch hold of the rope and come down slowly. You are not supposed to slide, otherwise you bruise your palm. You are supposed to come down slowly, right? So we have all the obstacles here, and you will get good practice apart from the main task, that is the progressive group task, half group task, final group task and the command task. A complete GTO ground experience. Thank you.